Hello guys, welcome back to Bar Melis. Andrea here, new episode, same rules. Kitchen tools, simple ingredients, amazing cocktails and everything to pour from the bottle. In today's episode we'll touch one of the most amazing categories of cocktails, which I really love, is the aperitivo. The purpose of an aperitivo is just to open up your stomach before a meal. And when it comes down to aperitivo, two are the main ingredients you generally see. One is vermouth and one is the bitter. As we like to do the things in a different way, we're gonna make a low ABV version and a non-alcoholic version of an aperitivo. If you like the content of this channel, don't forget to subscribe, activate your notifications, put a like and comment. Your tools for today are your measuring container, a pillar, your sous vide device or a jar, a funnel and a bottle. Take pen and paper because this is the time for the ingredients. Honey, 2 lemons, green tea, Tarragon, tonic water, Martini Bianco for the alcoholic version, or for non-alcoholic version, everleaf, non-alcoholic bitter. Start brewing some green tea, then mix it well with honey and set aside. Chop your tarragon leaves. This will help release the flavors. Peel the lemons and combine all together. As usual, you can also store in a jar and leave it overnight. Once it's ready, strain and combine with your vermouth or your non-alcoholic bitter. There we go guys, here we got the non-alcoholic version and the alcoholic version, low ABV. So looks like the best moment of the day just arrived, it's aperitivo time. I recommend half and half with tonic. A lime wheel. The smell is great guys. That's all you need after a long day or before a meal. The Martini Bianco is coming through, thanks also to the carbonation of the tonic water. Definitely you can smell the vanilla. Of course, like what we put in the honey as well helps a lot. Oh, this is really good guys. It's amazing. Then we are ready to try the non-alcoholic version. The color looks pretty much the same as the alcoholic one, and to be honest, even if there is no alcohol in it, you still can smell all the botanicals, definitely the vanilla as well in the everleaf, and some saffron as well. This is really good guys. I think for the people that cannot drink alcohol, this is a perfect alternative. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, my name is Andrea, this is Bar Melis. See you next time.